Samsung is really supporting the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As we already get a couple of updates, Samsung is planning a one big update for the cameras of the S23 Ultra. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Previously, we get two security updates, one is in the Feb and one is in the March. Some of you guys have it already, and if not, then you have to wait for a couple of days. But here's a twist. Samsung is planning to give you an update which will be focused on cameras. As per Ice Universe, by the end of the March, S23 series will have a big update which will involve camera optimization. He also stated that Samsung will make improvements to night mode within the stock camera app. There are a couple of people who are facing the issues with the S23 cameras where they get blurry images. So to fix that issue, you need to wait for this update. There is one fix you can do it right now, which is the camera assistant app. This all happens because of the shutter speed, which you can increase by using the camera assistant app. Not just that, this upcoming update will improve the performance on your S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, did you guys get the March security update? If you're facing issues with your S23 Ultra S Pen, then I have a good news for you. As some people face connectivity issues with the S Pen, so Samsung rolled out an update to Air Command. You can download this app new version from the Galaxy store to fix this issue. If you have S23 Ultra, then you need to first update to previous security updates. The first update, which is in the Feb, improves phone stability, reduces the shutter lag, and more. Whereas the March security update is also here for phone stability, and for now, it is not confirmed if this update will fix the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity issue on S23 Ultra, as this issue is related to software. And if you want to fix the issue for now, what you just need to do is just disable the Wi-Fi 6 routing for now. This will fix the issue for the time being, and later, the update will fix the issue. The success of S23 Ultra is merely the battery backup of the S23 Ultra, where it is clipping the numbers with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and that all happens because of the power efficient Stemmer Agent 2. And I have to say, if you're getting less numbers, consider updating, as everyone is happy with its S23 Ultra battery. If you guys want to see the display issue on the S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.